Hey guys, so I started work on the LAV-25 and I've been doing some research and thinking about what I'm going to do with the dive for this, and I kind of turned away from doing like the sniper battle of Fallujah thing I talked about in the last video, and I think I'm just going to do like a convoy coming up to some action, maybe in like a small village or something. Because like I said before, all the figures I'm getting for this are in action poses and stuff and all such things. And anywho, what I've done so far is just paint the insides black, because I'm going to cut out one of the doors in the back and have like a guy running outside, and I just need to hide the fact that it doesn't have any interior by spray painting black. And it doesn't really need any interior because I'm gonna put a guy in the hole, in the door hole. So yeah, that's what I'm gonna do right now. I'm just gonna start by cutting out the door, and this here's my high-tech sprue cutters. Luckily, when I was thinking about doing this, I was thinking, oh crap, I need to scratch build some interior pieces to make the inside of the door look okay. But looking at this kit better, it actually comes with some interior details on the inside of the doors. It's not the greatest, but it's there, like door handles and peepholes and stuff. And also, if you look inside the hatches on the turret, you can see that has some handles and stuff too. So if you would like to do open hatches, you can also cut out the hatches. However, the inside does not have the same circumference than the outside. So you would have to be like some sort of a magician to cut that actually open on a slant or something. I don't know. Anywho, I'm just going to take my trusty knife and start cutting away along the panel lines until the door is free. So the door's been cut out. Yep. I just went along the lines with the knife, like I said I was going to do. And then I use this file to make it look pretty. So yeah, that's what I did. I guess now it's just time to build normally. So that's the major assembly done on the the main top of the vehicle, and I think I'm gonna stop the video here. And if you like the time-lapse stuff, please tell me about it, because, well, it wasn't that fun to make to be honest, but I will do it again if you like it. So anyways, next video I should be doing the turret, and then soon after that I'll be ready to paint it. So yeah, till next time.